Welcome to Birds Heaven Care, where every feather tells a story and every chirp deserves to be heard. I'm Sumit Ghosh, a passionate bird care expert, and I created this space to help you love, protect, and truly understand your feathered companions. Whether you care for wild backyard visitors or beloved pet birds, this channel is your trusted guide to bird nutrition and feeding tips, natural healing and first aid, DIY feeders and cozy habitats, product reviews and expert advice. Here, we blend nature, knowledge, and compassion, so you can give your birds the healthiest, happiest life possible. Subscribe now and be part of a growing bird-loving community. Because when we care together, we create a true heaven for birds. Free guide launching soon. Stay tuned.